didn't really happen, but it should have.
I'm Jamie.
And I'm Farrah.
And here's your gossip for the day. So, pretty much what happened this summer was we went on a Costa Rica trip with a few of our friends and some people we didn't know. One of the kids that we didn't know, Freddie, he was there and we got to know him a little bit, but our friend Lily already kind of knew him. He was going out with this other girl on the trip, not Lily, but some other girl. And we could already tell, was a terrible boyfriend because a few days before the trip ended, he broke up with his girlfriend when we were all dancing at like a little like dance thing.
And it's just like, we're over, and walked away.
He just like came up to her all weirdly. It was weird. Anyways, so that happened, and then right after they broke up, our friend Lily started liking him and was like, you know, hanging out with him and stuff. And then when we were on the plane back to our, well, I don't want to say where we live.
Hometown.
Yes. They made out on the plane and got some
and the teacher was right there.
Yeah, and got some behavior points taken off for that.
Not very smart.
And so, and then, so they did that, and so after that, they just decided that, you know, they're gonna be boyfriend and girlfriend. So after that, after Costa Rica, they're like hanging out during the summer, whatever, everything's great. Then I talked to our friend Lily, and she tells me she wants to break up with him. This is a few weeks before school starts, and this week was our first week of school, but she never broke up with him yet, so she was gonna do it like after school one day. So one day we're at lunch, and you tell the rest, Farrah.
Okay. Well, me, Lily, and Jamie were sitting on the wall, and Freddie comes up and he's just like to Lily, says, "Hey, I'm gonna go to the gas station." So he just kind of leaves. And then this other girl comes up and she's like, "I need to talk to you," to Lily. So they kind of like take a step back or whatever. And she's like, "Are you still dating Freddie?" And then we're like, "Uh-oh, that's not good. Sounds bad."
Yeah.
And then turns out that they did a little something over the summer
at band camp,
which is cool, you know. And I guess that's pretty much the story. Jamie, your turn.
Well, I hope you enjoy
whatever.
the rest of the video and see how they broke up. It's a little exaggerated, but that's what you gotta do, right?
Bye.
Hey, I'm going to the gas station.
Okay.
There's only like 5 minutes of lunch left, but that's okay.
Hey, Lily.
Yeah?
I kinda need to talk to you about something.
Okay.
Are you still dating Freddie?
Yeah.
Well, okay, so you know how I went to band camp this summer?
Okay. I guess.
I thought I told you, but I guess not. It was a lot of fun. Anyways, and so Freddie was there and I was there and we kind of hooked up. Just a little bit though, like it wasn't like a lot of hooking up.
Okay. Thanks for telling me.
Oh, and by the way, he was such a good kisser. You're so lucky. I'm really sorry. Do you need a hug? I'm sorry you had to find out this way. It's okay. So we good, right? Because I did not know you were dating. He told me he was single. And I was like, okay, whatever. So then we were like, yeah, you can kind of figure out the rest. I'm really sorry.
That's okay. Thanks.
All right, bye.
Oh my god, I hate him.
We need to talk.
Okay.
This thing is not working out.
What's not working out?
Us.
Why not?
Because you're stupid.
Why am I stupid? I don't get
Oh
it.
my god, we're over.
Baby!
So you cheated on me?
I'm not cool enough for this.
What? I don't get it.
What a freaking idiot. I know you cheated with her at band camp.
Wrong place. Yes. I didn't see that.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the rest of your gossip for the week, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
And so this one day we're at lunch, and you take it off. Freddie, I can't believe you.
What? Oh wait, that doesn't happen.
Well,
Didn't send. We're doing.
Jamie! Jamie!
That was a.
hi. So never mind, I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay, go.
I did.
Hey Lily? Hey Lily? Hey Lily? Hey Lily?